Hi guys, Steph here. Take a look at this lovely handsome pen. Hey, what we've got for you today is a lovely Conway Stewart 75 fountain pen. Now, for you regular viewers who watch on a regular basis, you will know that I've actually shown you this pen before, because the Conway Stewart 75 came in, I think it's about 7 different colours. Now, I've actually shown you the blue marbled version. I've also shown you the raspberry marbled version, so if you're interested in them, go and take a look. But I don't think I've actually shown you this pen in classic black, a lovely handsome pen. Now, as I say, it's a Conway Stewart 75 from around about the 1950s, and as you can clearly see, this pen comes with nickel trim. You can see it's got the nickel lever there with the Conway Stewart logo. If we take you up to the cap, you can see it's got a nickel cap band to the bottom, and then if we go to the top there, you can see the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip, once again in nickel, or maybe I think they actually called it a chrome trim. But again, you can see to the top there the Conway Stewart logo, and then to the very top on this model we've got this aluminium, or again chrome, stud to the top of the cap there, which as you can see is slightly peaked, which complements the end of the barrel, which is also slightly peaked. Let's show you the barrel imprint on the pen, and then what you'll see, it says Conway Stewart 75, then just underneath, made in England. So a lovely clear barrel imprint. Okay, so I'm hoping that is nice and clear for you. So all in all, a lovely fountain pen. The size of this pen capped is around about 126 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. So let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. It's a lovely handsome pen, and personally I think the chrome trim complements the black very well. As I say, in lovely condition. I've fully restored it, everything has been cleaned, all the pen has been disassembled, all the parts cleaned, a brand new sack has been fitted inside, and it's ready to go. There's the section for you there. You can see the section tapers slightly towards the nib. It's got this little ridge just towards the nib there, and then if we show you the nib, you can see it's got a Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib, and then what you can't actually see because it's hidden inside the section, it's a number 3 nib, which is the correct nib for this pen. There's a sideways view for you. There's the feed underneath, and as always, lovely and clean. So as you can see, everything is lovely and clean. The pen is ready for somebody to enjoy for many years to come. Now, although I've got quite large hands and it's quite a smallish pen, but even though it's a small pen, it's still quite comfortable for me to hold. In fact, what we'll do, we won't fill the pen because I'll leave that pleasure to the new owner, but I know you people like to see the pen's writing, so what we'll do, we're just going to simply dip the nib in the ink to my right here, and let's see how the pen writes. So we've got Conway Stewart number 75. As you've seen, made in England. Some of these nibs do occasionally have some flecks, and this one, does it have any flecks? I would say maybe just very slightly. Let's just dip it in the ink again, and let's do some figure of eights and apply a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke. I wouldn't actually sort of term it as a fully flexed nib, but as you can see, with a little downward sort of pressure, we can get a little bit of a variation in line. But all in all, I would say writing with, I don't know, maybe a fine to medium line, but writing very nicely indeed, as you would expect from a lovely pen like this. So what we'll do, we'll swill that nib out, we'll clean it, and there we have it. We're going to keep this one quite short, and as I've said, we've got a gorgeous, handsome Conway Stewart 75 with chrome trim, very handsome indeed, and as you can quite clearly see, in gorgeous condition, again having been fully restored. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, don't be shy, give the video a thumbs up, just go up, or is it down there somewhere, just press that thumbs up symbol and give the video a thumbs up if you will. And don't forget people, wherever you are, just please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.